admitted that they could have refurbished Rizal Memorial Coliseum, particularly the track and field and the stadium, for a cost of 1.2 billion pesos. So, the policy issue is you have to spend 9.5 billion for the Clark facility, when in fact we could have spent 1.2 billion to refurbish Rizal Memorial Coliseum. And this is the assertion of Mr. Ramirez, who is the head of the PSC, who also stated that the PSC could have done what the FISGO is doing. He also asserted that the Philippine Sports Commission is equipped and is competent to handle what the FISGO is doing, provided that there is coordination with the Philippine Olympic Commission.